Hello viewers, in this video today I am going to show you how to make a short answer quiz form using Google Forms. Firstly log in your Gmail account and click Google Apps option, then you will find Google Forms, click on it and click blank page option. This is an untitled form. Type here question from name and here you can type description. This is an untitled question. Type here question name, full name. Choose short answer. You can choose paragraphs, multiple choice, checkbox, short answer. This is a required option. If you on the required option, it is mandatory to fill the field. Okay, on it and click plus icon. Add another question. Type here rule required and click add section. Type here part 2 and click setting option, click general, collect emails, limit of response, click and click quiz option, make this a quiz and click save. Okay, add question, short answer required. Now we'll set question mark 10 mark and you can save question correct answer and click plus icon, add another question so short answer 10 done required. Okay, now click preview option. These are from and click next. Okay, and submit. View score. Okay, now we will check who submitted are from. Click responses option. Here is submitted Gmail, name, rule and number, correct answer and wrong answer. You can check this answer, click Google spreadsheet here is time, Gmail, number, name, rule, answer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and